Hey everybody, it's Brian. Today we're going to look at how we can use pages in a Mastery Paths assignment to avoid gradebook issues. So the problem is that you have to give an assignment to a section of students, and Mastery Paths assigns to individual students. So the grades will not sync from Canvas to PowerSchool. So we've got Rachel Titus really came up with a way to do this using Canvas pages rather than Canvas assignments. So let's take a look at the setup. I've got a quiz and I want to use this to create some mastery paths, meaning depending on what they score, they will get different assignments given to them. Now, like I said a minute ago, if I have an assignment, so over here, if I want them to do this assignment, mastery paths will fill in student names individually, and those scores don't go to PowerSchool. So we're going to leave this assignment for everyone. When you set it up, you can have text entry, media recording, file uploads, whatever you want. And anyone can submit work to this assignment. So it stays assigned to everyone, which means it'll sync to PowerSchool. Specific page instructions happen this way. Here's my pages menu. And you can see I've got Mastery Check Level 1 and Mastery Check Level 2. So I want my Level 1 to go to students who don't score well on the quiz, and the Level 2 to go to students who do score well. To include pages and mastery paths, there's one checkbox you need to choose. So when you open the assignment, to edit it, so I click on the title and it's going to load real quickly. Here's my page, so they're going to watch a video and answer a couple questions. If I go to edit, there's a checkbox at the bottom of the page editor that you need to select. And it says allow for use in mastery paths. So see this box here, it's going to jump down in a second once the box loads. But you have to check this, and that means this page can now become a task in mastery paths. So here's the flow. Students take the quiz, they are assigned a page. Your instructions can be answer on paper and everybody turns it in, or they can be turn it into the assignment and you link your assignment. But the questions differ between Level 1 and Level 2. All students see is the page that they need to do. So I'm going to save this page. Now, when I come back into my quiz editor under Mastery Paths, for the higher kids, for the upper tier, I see you can change all items to pages. And here's my Level 1 and my Level 2. So I'm going to select this page and hit Add. And now, if you score between a 70 and 100 on this quiz or this test, you get this page with those questions. This middle tier, I'm going to choose Pages again. And there's Level 1, and I add. And then they get that page. And again, the prompt for turning it in can be whatever you want. The key is that you want those items to go to all sections or all students in a section, regardless of what questions they're getting. You are differentiating at the teacher level, not so much allowing Canvas to differentiate for you in terms of scoring and collecting. So I hope that's helpful. If you have questions, leave a comment in the video below or on the blog post, and we'll see you next time.